Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create terms and condition page in your Shopify website. Right now, as you can see, we are into admin dashboard. We have clicked on online store, then pages and add page, and here we are just mentioning the title of this page. So this is terms and condition, and we will simply write content for this. So we will use ChatGPT. You can use Gemini or Claude or terms and condition generator that are available right over the internet. So here you can simply mention the ChatGPT that you want content for this particular page and your domain name is this and you sell this particular item and these are your contact details, right? And simply submit it and it will create terms and condition for your domain name, right? So here I'm just typing the prompt, right? And then we will simply submit it. Okay, so it have given me the two responses. Whatever the response I like the most, I will simply select it and copy it, right? So let's go with this first one. I prefer this response. Okay, now simply select the content and simply copy it using Ctrl+C and go back to the Shopify tab and simply paste it over here. Okay, once go through this particular content, right? Because ChatGPT have written content as per their side, might be our policies are somehow different. We will simply click on save and term and condition pages ready and live on your website. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.